Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox the KnitCrate for February 2020 and I have it here with me. It's a yarn membership subscription that you pay a certain amount of money every month and you receive beautiful yarn in the post. Now I have here the membership KnitCrate. This one retails for $24.99 and usually you get a lot more for the money that you pay for. You can also get a sock crate which is $19.99 and for that one you get one skein of yarn with a pattern for a sock. Now I've done this every month and mine came a bit late. It's probably with all the quarantine and everything that's going on in the world these days, but here it is. I managed to get my hands on it and we're going to have a look what we've got inside. So we're gonna open it and first thing you get a magazine, so this is where your patterns will be, and then the yarn is behind this beautiful tissue paper, and look at that. Wow, this is just great. I love it. It's kind of like speckled. It's more like a white base color with speckles. I can see they look a little bit different from each other. Let's have a look and put them next to each other. Yeah, here we go. So see, one of them has more blue, more purple in it, and the other one has less specks. Now if you were to knit something with both of them, one project, you would want to alternate the rows and do one row with one skein, one row with the other. So these are the Ordin wools from KnitCrate. They are a collaboration with Creative Grandma and she's a crocheter. Ordin wools, Shine Sport, the colorway is Sky. Let's see if both of them are Sky, and they both have the same dialogue. They look a bit different to me, but anyway. They both look really nice, and I'm sure that I'm going to manage to do something with it. So it's 80% superwash merino, 20% tencel. Now I'm trying to see if there's any tencel in it. I can't see any sparkles. Oh yeah, there is a little bit, but there isn't that strong. So maybe it's the sheen that the yarn gets that comes from the tencel. So it's sports weight, 350 yards, 320 meters, 100 grams, suggested needle size, yeah, and all that. So just pause if you want to look through all the specifications of the yarn. Pause and look on the screen, but all yarns are dyed for KnitCrate exclusively. Yeah, same dye lot. But this is the yarn. It's really nice and soft and squishy, and I'm going to be excited to maybe make a pair of socks. I've recently done some socks, but this yarn is just gorgeous. So it will need a very simple pattern because of the texture of the yarn and the colors and the specs. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it, and this is what I'm gonna use it for. Probably film a sock tutorial, but we'll see. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover for this, so you will see my hands moving more than I'm talking. Is because it didn't register the sound, but yeah, this is a voiceover. So yeah, that's the yarn, and then you have this beautiful button, which is it looks so delicate, and if you're knitting a cardigan, this would be really nice as a button for like one button cardigan. This would be gorgeous. It's handmade. I will leave a link to the Etsy shop where you can get this if you want more than one, if she has more than one, but this came only one in the KnitCrate and is really cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I'll keep it. I do have a bit of a collection of buttons, to be honest, because I like buttons so much. I'll have a link in the description for the Etsy shop. Incomparable buttons. Yeah, it says it's fine to be washed, but I don't know, I feel a bit skeptical about these things. I don't know if I would put it in the washing machine. No, maybe not. Hand wash. I do hand wash all my wools anyway, so I don't put them in the washing machine. So yeah, that's our yarn, and let's have a look at the patterns. So it is February 2020, and you have a picture of one of the patterns here. It's a different colorway, as you can see, and it looks like a crochet scarf, but we'll have a look inside and see what patterns we have for this month. So these are the crates that you can get. So there's a sock crate and a membership crate. We have the membership, the bottom one. The top one is the sock crate. So for the sock crate, you get one skein plus patterns, and then you pay $19.99. For the membership, you get 2 skeins, all the patterns, and you pay $24.99. And I do encourage if you're not a sock knitter, and even if you are, you can still get the membership. And yeah, this is Glenda. She's the creative grandma, and she's the one that KnitCrate collaborated with for this month, for this KnitCrate, and I don't know if it's gonna continue for the following months, but she's a crochet designer. She's been crocheting for over 40 years, and she created this blog. And if you want to have a look, I will find her blog and link it down below, or you can probably just Google Creative Grandma and it will take you to her blog or website. So these are the yarns. So as you can see, the membership yarn comes in 3 colorways. We have the bottom one, the sky. There's also flirt. It's got purples and pinks. Here it tells you that the skein retails for, oh, I can't see there, $26 US. So you already have, paying $24.99 with your membership, you already have more, because you've got 2 skeins and you've got all the patterns and the little button. I like Sky, is really nice. I like Sprout. Flirt is alright. It's not my most favorite. And then we move up to the sock yarn, and one sock yarn retails for $28 for one skein, and you only get a skein, but you pay $19.99 for your membership crate, which it's a lot cheaper than the skein you buy, and on top of that you get the patterns with it. And one thing I wanted to mention is that if you buy a membership crate, you will get the patterns, all the patterns for the sock crate as well, and vice versa. So if you buy your membership crate, you will get the sock pattern as well in the brochure. So here we have the patterns. As you can see, the membership crate comes with a crochet pattern and a knit pattern. The knit pattern is hat and mittens, and you can also do that in crochet version. You could use one skein for your hat and one skein for your mittens. The same with the crochet down here, one skein for the hat and one skein for the mittens. Personally, I would go with the knit because I'm a knitter, but obviously if you crochet more, then you could use a crochet pattern. You also have the sock pattern. So here you've got the crochet and the knit pattern, and yeah, they'll all be in there row by row. Very good instructions. Everything you need would be there in your brochure. They both look lovely. I've never crocheted socks, but I don't know, I'm not that keen on it anyway. And usually you just get the patterns, and then on the back of your brochure you get next month's theme, and this is what it looks like. It's called Wanderings, and it's got like grays, greens, a bit of yellow, a bit of orange in it. It looks more like, to be honest, it looks more like a wintry or even like autumn winter theme, but I don't know. I would go for like very springy colors, but it looks beautiful. So I'm excited to see next month's crate. It's on its way, should be here hopefully before the end of March, and then we can film it and put it out before April starts, but you never know, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, this is the KnitCrate for February 2020. You get your yarn, your patterns, your beautiful extra button, and it all comes in this eco-friendly recyclable box that you can always reuse or put in your recycling. And yeah, I really enjoy KnitCrate. I've been working with KnitCrate yarn for the last 2 years now, and I've never been disappointed with the yarn. I've always enjoyed it. I still have quite a lot of it in my stash, but I don't know, I just like to be creative with it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe, wash your hands, look after yourself, don't touch your face. If you have any symptoms, stay at home and don't be selfish. Don't go out and give it to someone else. So just stay safe, and thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.